Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to change your password in the Telegram app on PC after the latest update. If you've been looking for a way to update your password to keep your account secure, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. You should already be logged into your account, but if not, log in with your credentials. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen, and you'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on those 3 lines to open the main menu. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see several options. We need to go to Privacy and Security, so click on that option. Once you're in Privacy and Security, scroll down a little until you find the Local Passcode section. This is where you can set or change your password for the app. Click on Local Passcode to proceed. Now, you'll be asked to enter your current passcode. This is the password you set up earlier, the one you're trying to change. Type it in and click Next. After entering your current passcode, you'll see the option to change passcode. Go ahead and click on that button. At this point, you'll need to enter your new passcode. Choose a password that's strong and easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Once you've typed in your new passcode, you'll be asked to confirm it by typing it in again. After confirming your new password, simply click on Save or Done, depending on your version of Telegram. And that's it. Your new password is now set. Changing your password regularly is a great way to ensure your Telegram account stays secure. It's quick, easy, and a great way to protect your privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.